In this video, we'll be seeing how to print sum of n numbers. Okay, so n can be 10, 20, 30. Okay, but I want to just print first 5 numbers. Okay, I want to just print sum of first 5 numbers. Okay, then I'll be going with first 10 numbers, first 20 numbers later. Okay, to make it as simple as possible, just I'm going with first 5 numbers. Okay, so here you're dealing with many numbers, so that's why you need to use the concept of loop. Okay, so here I'll be using the concept of for loop. Okay, so for int I, okay, equal to some value, semicolon, I less than or equal to some value. Okay, and I, so I equal to I plus 1 or I plus both are same. Okay, if you feel little bit confused, as I told you in the earlier video, we can use I equal to I plus 1. Okay, so then open the block, that is for block. Okay, so we need to print the sum. That sum, for that sum I need one variable. Okay, so let us say it is int sum. Okay, initially that sum will be 0. Okay, initially that sum will be 0. Now we need to add. Okay, so here I need to add like sum equal to sum plus I. Okay, so printf the sum of first n numbers is percentile d. Okay, so the sum of first n numbers, that is I, is sum. Okay, you understand the logic? So first I am starting with int sum equal to 0. Okay, so here what I'll be doing here, sum equal to sum plus I, in the sense sum equal to sum plus 1. What is sum value? 0. So sum equal to 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? It is 1. So here sum will be equal to 1. Okay, here sum will be equal to 1. Okay, so the sum of first 1 numbers is 1. Okay, so that why, because here you are taking the values of I comma sum. Okay, again it will be repeated. Okay, so here you need to get the sum of first 5 numbers, you need to start from 1. So that's why the starting point is 1. Okay, so you need to get sum of first 5 numbers. Okay, so where you need to end, you need to end at 5. Got it? So that is a common sense. Okay, just by applying the common sense, you'll be knowing the initial and final point. Okay, so in C language, for any loop, the important two factors is specifying the initial point and the ending point. Okay, now we'll be seeing. Okay, int I equal to 1, int I less than or equal to 1. Yeah, okay, run. Sorry, I didn't use slash n. Okay, so slash n. So the sum of first 1 numbers is 1, in the sense 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, then the sum of first 2 numbers, that is 1 plus 2 equal to 3. The sum of first 3 numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 10. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 15. So how we are getting this logic? Because here initially sum equal to 0. Okay, so here what's happening is, okay, for more clarity I'll be putting this also. Okay, so printf, okay, this. Okay, so the value, okay, the value of sum and I is percentile d and percentile d. Okay, so the value of sum comma I. Okay, got it. So if you see here, so for the first time the value of sum and I is 0 and 1. Okay, so I'll be putting like this, it will be giving you more clarity. Percentile D and I is percentile D. Okay, chalo, remove this one. Okay, so now run it. Okay, so initially the value of sum is 0 and I is 1. So what happens, sum equal to sum plus I, that is 0 plus 1. So you are getting sum as 1. Okay, so I'll be changing this to like sum. Okay, so remove this one. Okay, run. Okay, so initially, sorry, sum percentile D. Okay, so run. Okay, so the value of sum is 0 and first iteration, so I 1, so sum 0 plus 1 is 1. So for the second time, if you see, I will be incremented to 2. Okay, is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes, so it will be entering into the block. Okay, so now what happens is sum value is 1 from the previous iteration. Okay, so sum value is 1, but this time I equal to 2, so 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, so now sum equal to 3 and I equal to 2. So this is the logic to get sum of n numbers. Okay, so directly I'll be blocking this one. Okay, and I'll be putting this one at the end. Okay, so now, okay, so now we'll be seeing what happens. Okay, so if you see here, you are getting sum as 15. Okay, now I want sum of 100 numbers. Okay, now we'll be seeing. Okay, sum is 5050. Now I want sum up to 100 numbers, but I want to start it from 20. Okay, so if you see here, you'll be getting 4860. Now I want to start from 20, I wanted to end till 100, but this time I want to get 3 numbers successive, so that's why then I can write this logic. Okay, so this is a beautiful concept to find the sum of n numbers starting from, let us say, some I and ending at some y and with some increment. Okay, so this is a beautiful concept to find the sum of n numbers. Okay, this you can do with while or do while also. Okay, it doesn't matter. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section.